Hello everyone, this is Julie Williams from the Community Connections Department at Riverside, part of Miami County Board of Developmental Disabilities. On Fridays, one of the fun things that I get to do is be part of a group that goes to Complete Fitness in Tip City, Ohio. Mark Higgins graciously lets us come in and he helps us with a few other members from his gym to do some circuit training for an hour. This is a fun hour of all sorts of different kind of exercises. We love it and I've really been missing it. So hopefully we'll be able to get back to that soon, but in the meantime we need to get back into shape. So I'm going to show you just a few strengthening exercises that you can do at home. Some of the things, if you have some weights, it would be great to use some hand weights. If you don't, there are a lot of things you can use at home. You could use water bottles, you could use cans of soup or bottles of spaghetti sauce. Just don't drop them on the floor, that would be a mess. But there's all sorts of things you could use, bags of rice or bags of beans, just anything to get a good weight for you if you wanted to use some weight for some resistance. So I'll be showing you a few of those things that you can use to adapt while you're at home, since we don't have some really nice exercise equipment available to us at home. So let's get started. We're going to start off first with some arm exercises to strengthen our arms and shoulders, and then after that we will move on to some leg exercises. Okay, first off we're going to start with some arm exercises. So you can use water bottles for a little bit of weight, almost a pound in each hand, or cans of soup. Or if you have a heavier can, a bigger can, that would put you up to about 2 pounds. Or you could just use some hand weights. I have just some 5-pound weights. So the first ones we're going to practice are some curls. So we're going to have our arms down, and then we would just bring them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to make sure that your palms are facing out. You can do 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever you prefer. Then the next thing would be some shoulder lifts. Keep them straight out, palms facing out. And you're going to lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The key is keeping it nice, slow, deliberate movement. Then after that, the next fun thing is punching, and you'd be surprised at how much energy this gets out. We don't have a punching bag, but if you stack up some pillows on your couch, you can have your own punching bag, and you'd be surprised how much energy this gets out. Put all of your energy into it. You could do that for, just count to 10 in your head. So you'd want to do each one of those exercises maybe 10, 20 times. Go into the next set of exercises and do that 10, 20 times. Then the third set of exercises 10, 20 times. And then just rotate and try and do each set maybe 3 times. That would be a good arm workout. See, I already got my heart rate up just a little bit. All right, now we're going to move on to our leg exercises. The first one are just some simple knee lifts. You can lift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do that for 20, 30, whatever, till you get your heart rate up a little bit and feel that in there. The next one are some squats. And if you come to the gym with us on Fridays, Mark has a fantastic squat workout. It's called Sally Ups, and it's a killer, but we all have fun with it. For your squats, you want to keep your feet straight and about shoulder width apart, and you're going to be just making it seem like you're going to be sitting down into a chair. You don't want to lean forward, you just want to sit down back for 1, just make it slow, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you do them again for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go up to 10, 20. The next day you'll feel that in your back section there. And then the last one will be our jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then again, You do each one of these sets of exercises 10, 20, 30 times. Do the next set of exercises 10, 20 times, the next set 10, 20 times, and then just do all 3 of them again a couple times in a row. It will give you a nice strengthening workout. So until we can get back to the gym together, this will just have to do. See you later.